Hello everyone, here is a tutorial on how to share your live location with someone on WhatsApp using an iPhone. So first of all, locate the WhatsApp icon and tap on it to open. In WhatsApp, navigate to the chat with person or group with whom you want to share your live location. Tap on chat to open it. Now in the chat window, tap on plus or add icon located to the left of the text input field. This will open the attachment menu. Now from the attachment menu, select location. You may need to grant WhatsApp access to your device location service if you haven't already. You will see a map with your current location displayed. To share your live location, tap on share live location option. Now you have to give WhatsApp access to your live location in the background. Open settings and tap on first option location and select it to always. And now you can go back to the WhatsApp. And now WhatsApp will ask you to choose the duration for how long you want to share your live location. You can select from options like 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. Choose the desired duration. Like choose 15 minutes and now you can send the location by clicking on send button. Now this location is sent. The contact will receive a message indicating that you are sharing your live location. They can tap on the map to view the location in real time. And to stop sharing your live location before the selected duration expires, you can tap stop sharing within the chat and tap on stop sharing. Now live location is ended, or after the chosen duration is over, WhatsApp will automatically stop sharing your live location and you will receive a notification indicating that the sharing has ended. So this is how you can share your live location on WhatsApp using an iPhone. Thank you everyone.